Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on what is YouTube description. So let's learn about what is YouTube description. So to learn more about YouTube description, go ahead and open up YouTube application. And once you're here, you'll be appear with the home page of YouTube. So YouTube description is something that will help the creator to link any type of products or describe their video or use the hashtag. It is similar to the status which we upload on Instagram, describing our pictures or any videos that we upload. And how we can see the description of any video is you can simply go ahead and select any videos from YouTube, and once you have selected it, tap on more. So once you tap on it, you will be able to see all the description of the video. You can also see the views and the uploaded date and likes and all the description they have uploaded. And if you scroll down, you can also see the transcript. So this is the description. This is how we can see description on YouTube, and I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.